How to clone a GitHub repository. I have this repository here. Firstly, in order to clone the GitHub repository, you're gonna make sure that Git bash is installed on your PC. If you don't have the Git bash installed, just go to the video link in description. It's just a very short and simple video how you can install Git bash to your PC. Once the Git bash has been installed, if you right click on your desktop, you'll get one option here, open Git bash here. This option should be present in the contextual menu when you right click. Once you have confirmed this all, now you're gonna create one folder where you want to clone the repo. I have one folder on desktop called clone test. I will clone the repository inside this folder. So now go to the repository that you want to clone, click on code option here, and you'll get this clone option here. Copy this URL. Once you copy the URL, minimize, and now open this folder, clone test. Right click inside this folder, and then we're gonna open the git bash here. Once the git bash has opened, we're gonna type in here command git clone space and then paste the URL of the GitHub repository. Right click and then paste. Once it's done, just enter, and now it will clone the repository here. Thus we have successfully cloned the GitHub repository, and if you minimize this, go to this folder here, clone test, we have this clone repository. All the folders and resources are present here. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel.